Wherever business is happening in Europe, you'll find ASSA ABLOY entrance systems. And wherever we are, you'll find one of 3,500 technicians taking care of our doors. Whether it's installing a new system, performing maintenance repairs, or carrying out a service optimization check. Ensuring this fleet of technicians is prepared for every job is all possible thanks to our network of world-class training facilities, like our Technician Training Center in Lippstadt, Germany. An advanced and modern facility where technicians learn about our leading series of high-performance doors. This specialized facility has recently been modernized to offer the latest in both theoretical and hands-on education, with technicians first learning the basics of mechanical and electrical door components such as motors and controllers, before diving deeper into the technical workings of our high-performance doors within focused training areas. These training areas feature running systems of exterior high-speed doors like the ASSA ABLOY RR5000, as well as doors designed for cleanroom and hygienic applications, machine protection doors made for manufacturing and assembly environments, and automatic doors designed for fast-running retail businesses. In addition to this specialized training, the Centre also offers educational sessions on older ASSA ABLOY doors still popular in the market, with training focused on our extensive supply of original spare parts. And because our top priority is always the safety of our service technicians, we equip you with safety clothing. From helmets and jackets to trousers and safety shoes, your safety comes first. Wherever our service technicians are located in the world, they can take advantage of this unique training facility in Germany, becoming more knowledgeable, more experienced, and more empowered, so we can achieve the perfect flow of people, goods, and vehicles. For more, visit ASSAABLOYentrance.com.